To find your downloads on an iPhone, start by unlocking your device and locating the Files app, which has a blue folder icon. Open it, then tap Browse at the bottom if you aren't already there. Look for On My iPhone or iCloud Drive, depending on where your downloads are stored. Most downloaded files go into the Downloads folder inside On My iPhone. If you don't see it immediately, scroll down or use the search bar at the top and type Downloads to locate it faster. Once inside, you'll see a list of all your recently downloaded files. Tap any file to open it, or long press for more options like sharing, renaming, or moving it. If you downloaded a photo or video, check the Photos app instead under the Recents album. For Safari downloads, go to Safari, tap the AA icon or the address bar, then select Downloads to view recent downloads directly. If nothing appears, go to Settings, tap Safari, and check the Downloads section to see where files are being saved. That's it. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips. Drop a comment if you have questions.